Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial we're going to be looking at how we can easily download and install the Adobe Incopy on your PC or laptop in 2025. So before further ado, let's get into the video. First thing, you'll have to open your browser. In this video, I'm going to choose the Brave browser. You can choose any of the browser that you have. It might be Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or whatever you like. Once you're in the browser, you'll have to go in search bar and type in download Adobe Incopy and click on search. Now you can see here the writing and copy editing software Adobe Incopy in the first place. You have to click on that. And once you're in here, you have to close this one. And if you scroll down, you can see choose a plan. Click on buy now. I will just scroll down and select this one. Now you can see it's asked for a billing. So you can choose monthly. Okay, so this Adobe Incopy does not have a free trial, so you'll have to pay $7.49 per month to use this application. So once that's done, you'll have to click on continue again. Now it'll ask for your email address. You'll have to type in your email address here and click on continue again. And in the next payment page, you'll have to choose any of the payment method that you prefer to do payment through. So it has credit card, PayPal, or Amazon Pay. You can choose whatever the payment method that you would like to use. So I'm going to use the credit card. And now you can enter your credit card number, your expiry date, first name, last name, the zip code, and the country or region that you reside in, and a mobile number, which is completely optional. Once you have that, you'll have to click on agree and continue. So what this does is it will charge you 7.49 cents per month, and it will start downloading the Adobe Creative Cloud application. Once you have the Adobe Creative Cloud application installed, it will install the Adobe Incopy application within the Adobe Creative Cloud application. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.